everyone, today I'm going to show you my favorite salad for summer. It's very easy to prepare and it takes literally 5 minutes. So all you need is a rocket salad, olive oil, salt and pepper and balsamic vinegar. Just to taste, you don't need to put that much, but just to taste, like so. Add half a lemon squeeze, it will give it that beautiful taste. And then mix. I'll suggest to mix it in a different bowl, not the bowl that you're gonna serve. That way it's easier. After you mix it, you can put it to the bowl that you're planning to serve with. Already looks so beautiful and it literally took 3 minutes already. After you place your seasoned salad in your favorite bowl that you're planning to prepare to serve, just add bresaola or dried meat. You can get it in your local groceries, I'm sure, or any kind of meat. This one is beef, dried bresaola, but you can use any other type of meat that you like. It already looks so beautiful, and just add Parmesan cheese on top. Very easy, less than 5 minutes. And it's gonna be a crowd pleaser. It's really tasty, very nice, very summery salad. Enjoy!